How to make a curved baffled ceiling. Let's start. First, we need to make a profile family. Go to metric, English, select metric, generic, model, adaptive, open. Okay, let's zoom. Select point element, select draw on work plane, pick at the center, pick. Okay, select the reference point, make adaptive. Okay, next, set work plane, set the vertical plane, select the rectangle, draw a rectangle above the reference point. Okay, then AL, align, select the horizontal plane, pick and pick the line, lock. Okay, next, dimension, pick the line, pick the reference plane and pick the other line. Okay, move the dimension up, make it equal. Okay, dimension both lines. Okay, select the dimension. We will create a parameter. Select create parameter, make it instance. Let's type width. Okay, next, dimension, select the horizontal reference plane, then select the line. Okay, select the dimension, create parameter, make it instance and name it depth. Okay, next, uncheck shared, check always vertical. Okay, let's go to family type. Let's change the dimension. The width, let's make it 50 millimeter, and the depth, make it 300. Okay, zoom out. Okay, next we need to make another family. Okay, go to metric, select metric, generic, model, adaptive. Okay, zoom, point element. Okay, pick at reference plane. Okay, select the reference point, make it adaptive. Okay, now let's go back to the first family, the profile, load it into the project. So it's family 4. No, just leave it. Okay, then pick at reference point. Okay, next, check always vertical and uncheck shared. Okay, let's try. Okay, okay, good. Now select make a copy, multiple constraints. Okay, pick at reference plane. Okay, copy, select again, copy, pick first at reference plane, drag forward, pick, 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 drag forward, pick. Okay, copy. So we need like 11 copies. Okay, so we need to delete this one. Okay, so we need only 11. Anything, you can make it 12, 13. Okay, then let's select all the profile. Select all the profile, then create form. Okay, let's try, select, let's move the reference point. Okay, next, select the form. Let's put the material, create new parameter, just type finish. Okay, let's go to finish. Let's change the material to something white. Okay, let's select the white. Let's select this one. Okay, apply. Okay, let's save this and name it curve baffle. Save. Okay, load into the project. Okay, now let's go to perspective. Let's delete this sample model. Okay, delete. Let's go to level 2. Okay, let's delete this reference plane. Okay, first we need to make a reference plane. Okay, close to the curtain wall. Let's zoom it out. Move close to the curtain wall. Okay, next, in place mask 1, set work plane, pick a plane. Okay, pick the reference plane, pick and select south elevation, open. Now let's create a spline through points. Okay, pick somewhere here. Let's say here. Just pick. Okay, go to 3D, select the spline, level 2, make a copy, select multiple and constraint, copy 1.5, copy again 1.5, then 1.5, copy again 1.5. Next, go to 3D. Let's look at the perspective. Okay, go back to 3D. Okay, let's go to wireframe. Now we need to modify some of the reference point. Okay, or select all the spline, create a form. Okay, select the surface, divide surface, then select the small arrow under surface representation, check nodes. Okay, next let's insert the component what we did, the curve baffle. Okay, insert. Okay, now we need to pick at the nodes. Okay, pick. So we have 11 adaptive points, so pick 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, let's go back, change the graphics to hidden line. Okay, now select the form. Okay, then select the refit. Okay, now you have the curve baffle. Let's see the perspective. Let's make it more. Let's select the surface. Okay, let's change the U grid number to 20. Okay, let's make more, 30. Okay, next uncheck the nodes. Okay, finish the mask. Okay, finish. Go to masking, turn up the show mask. Okay, check, then let's go to visibility graphics. Okay, let's check. Okay, let's go back, let's select the surface, go to edit in place, select the surface. Okay, let's select. Okay, okay, let's turn up the surface. Okay, good. Finish the mask. Okay, now you have the finished curved baffle ceiling. Thank you.